Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix apps not downloading on App Store. If you're expressing issue with apps not downloading from the App Store on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, you can try some troubleshooting style steps to resolve the problem. So guys, first of all you have to do is check your internet connection and secure that your device is connected to a stable or reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A poor or unstable network may cause download issues. After this, then you have to do is restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. So turn off your device by going to your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Indicate that your device is running the latest version of iOS. So you have to open your general, tap on your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check Apple ID and password. Verify that you are signed in with the correct Apple ID in the App Store. After this, then you have to do is check available storage. An inefficient storage on your device can prevent app downloads. So you have to go to your iPhone storage and check if you have enough available space for your iPhone. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is disable restrictions. If you have enabled the restrictions on your device, then you have to do is simply disable it. To do this, you have to go back, go to screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction. If you have enabled the content or privacy restriction, then you have to do is simply disable it. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on your reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.